Hello viewers, we did practice on editing tools and drawing tools in the previous session, part 4 of Google SketchUp. Today we will do more practice on these tools. Let us make a little house. Open the Google SketchUp. Select the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Then push tool, push upward. And select front view. Select the pencil tool or and move on its surface to find a midpoint. It will be in green color. Draw perpendicular to ground along with y-axis. We will draw a door. Click in the mid and go along with x-axis and enter 15 in the bottom right box and hit the enter and go downward along with y-axis. Then go along with x-axis and enter 15 and hit the enter key. Go downward along with y-axis to make a door. Then select the offset tool for copy the boundary. First you delete the unnecessary lines, unwanted lines, delete with eraser tool. Then select offset tool and you can make its copy. You can copy its boundary. No, it is not a correct way because unnecessary drawing is created in the below. So first you select these 3 lines with the selection tool. Hold down the shift key. Hold down the shift key and select 3 lines you want to copy. Then select offset tool and enter 4 in the bottom right box and click enter. Then enter 8 and hit the enter key. Then select the perspective view from the view option. Now select right view. Now we want measurement tool. Go to view tool, select view tool and toolbox and measurement tools. View, toolbars and measurements tools. Measurement tool. नहीं measurement tools सीखे थे एक मिनट बस थोड़ा जा कंटिन्यू रख लो चाहे measurement tool है ही नहीं थे ना चलो रहने दो आप उधर ही कर लेने क्यों क्यों करना से चलो नहीं अपना दोबारा कर लेते हैं ना ठीक है वहाँ से कर लेता हूँ ना कोई नहीं select the pencil tool and move on the surface to find the midpoint and draw a line along with y-axis and from this point end point to end point find the midpoint and draw a line along with green axis. Then you will find the center of the rectangle. Then to make a window, I have to select the circle tool, click and drag your mouse. Then for the copy, select the offset tool. First of all, select the area. First of all, delete unnecessary, unwanted lines. Select the circle and copy the boundary. Then select the perspective view. Then select pull push tool for the frame of window and door. Push in and double click it. Double click for copy, for the repetition, for the repeat. Then push outside and double click for the repeat. Now we need a roof of this house. Select the orbit tool to orbit slightly. Select pencil tool and find the midpoint of this line, front line. It will turn into green point and click and go along with z-axis, along with z-axis or green axis. Then select the middle point select the middle line and select move tool and lift it upward along with y axis. Front view. This is your perspective view. Now I want to give. Now select pull push tool and hit the control key to copy and push upward for the thickness of roof. Go other side and double click for the same thickness for the repetition. Join the line, this gap and delete unnecessary lines. Also join this one, this side, and from back side with the pencil tool. Delete with the eraser unwanted lines. Now we want its shades. We want to increase its size downward. Select pull push tool and pull slightly. Then in the same fashion, double click for the repeat. Double click from all sides for the same size. Now we need a chimney. Simply select the rectangle tool and select pull push and push upward, but it is tilted. It is not perfect. Undo, Control plus ZZ to undo. Select the front view. And you must draw perpendicular to your ground or along with y-axis. Along with y-axis. Z-axis, it is perpendicular to this. This is along with the x-axis, red axis. Now you need along with y-axis perpendicular to your ground. Click along with y-axis, then along with x-axis. It will be perpendicular to your ground. Then go down along with y-axis and click. Now select perspective view, select pull push tool to push backward and back. Now your chimney is perfect. Delete unwanted lines. You can push little later from either side. For the thickness of chimney, you must copy this boundary and click. Now right click and erase, then erase the other layers. Erase, click, right click and erase. Now the chimney is hollow. Now we need a boundary of this house, boundary of the house. For this, select the pencil tool and make a line. Make a line along with green axis. Now select follow me tool. Select follow me tool and select the lower corner of your box and go along with your edge. Again select follow me tool and join to the end point. Erase unwanted lines. Erase these lines. These are also unnecessary lines, unwanted lines from the back. Select the top view and you can draw the boundary of your house. Select the rectangle and draw a rectangle. Select the perspective view. You can increase it. Now I need a front roof of the house. For this, select front view, pan tool, and select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Select the line tool and draw along x-axis. For the thickness, draw another line and click. Select pull push tool to push forward. Now you need a pillar. For this, select the circle tool and find the midpoint of this line. It turns into green, is a midpoint of is the midpoint, and go along with green axis. Go along with green axis and click and drag your mouse for draw a circle. Then with the pull push tool, pull down and join the end point of your lower part of your house for the same size. Delete these unwanted lines. You can give its width. Now it is open. Draw line with the line tool. Now it will be. Now you can erase these lines. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਟੀ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ. Now we will paint it with the paint tool. Here is your paint bucket. Click and this box will appear. Here is your material in model. Scroll down the arrow. Concrete, brick, carpet, these are all the options. Roofing, For roofing, you can take any texture, click, click here, click, and click. You can take patterns, metal, stone. No, I will take textile, texture, click and click here. Click on the pillar. You can take metal for use the chimney. For the copy, you can select sample tool and you can take sample from anywhere, click and paint. Now for window, I will take wooden texture, scroll down and get the wood texture and click to make a frame, to paint a frame. You can take the sample point and click and paint. Now I will select one glass and mirrors. You can take mirror and you can see through mirror. Take a sample, click, click. Now for window. Now for door, select the same wood, same texture, and fill all directions, all sides. Take the sample from here. and fill. You can give the shade. You can create shadows. Scroll down shadow tool, select the shadow and select show hide shadow. Click here and you can create the shadow of your house. In the timeline, you can give the time. You can give the date, January, February. You can light the shade and dark the shade. According to your choice. You can use styles. Click on styles. These are all styles. Assorted styles, color sets. These are all styles. These are blueprint, blue strokes on canvas, chipboard with the marker, generic CAD, monochrome screen, pencil on tracing paper. These are all lots of styles are here. You can choose according to your choice. Oh, thank you viewers. In the next session, we will do more practice on these tools. Thank you very much. ये वर्मा जी का क्लास ठीक है, अच्छा लग रहा है।